continuing this is the type, and if we remove this, there's see, oh my gosh, what is this? And the we will cut the plastics and wait. And that's just my guess. Be careful. So, and that's why. And so now let's begin. So this is the first step. Let's open it, and it's super heavy. And as you can see, I guess here's the box, and I guess we also have a letter for users. Dear handcraft enthusiasts, thank you